He's in Warwick. He's on 1 to 3. Told me to tell y'all motherfuckers to keep it cool. He be out one way or another. Quick. Maybe I can stick around for a while.
No, that's out, man. You know, what can we, the Lords, do with a punk like that?
Kiss my ass, motherfucker.
Burn him.
Just me and you, motherfucker. Just me and you. Told me to tell y'all motherfuckers to keep it cool.